Welcome to Overgo World, making your life better through tech, vacations and other great things. Remember to subscribe so that you don't miss out on our latest videos. So I've got my shiny new iPhone 16 Pro Max. I bought that in the white titanium colour. Then it comes to, do I need a case or not? I have naturally found with the iPhones, you do need, well, I personally feel like you do need a case. I'm always worried about putting this down on a surface, getting it scratched, also a little bit sort of slippy in the hand. So I've always tended to go with the silicone cases. The Apple case, it does not come in a white though. So when you're looking at what is the most complementary colour to this with white, you're going to want to have a look at the range, but I personally found that this one, which is the Denim case, for me was the best one. The case looks like this. There you go. Very similar to the old case. Now you might be wondering if you've got an iPhone 15 Pro Max, is the case that much different? So let me just show you side by side the difference in the cases. So there you've got that. So same color almost. So this is the Denim, very similar sort of type of color, dimensions all like that. But as you can see, it is slightly bigger than the old one. So what Apple have done is they've increased the height by about 3mm on the phone and by about 1mm width-wise, even though the depth stayed the same. So you cannot use your old iPhone 15 Pro Max cover. You're going to have to get a new one. And I think personally this one looks the best with the white iPhone. So just sliding that into here, and I'll show you what it looks like. So just pushing that in, and then if I just flip it over, there you see the white on there. You will also note on this case, which is different to the iPhone 15 Pro Max, it has got on the silicone case this section here. This is for the new camera feature on the iPhone 16 Pro Max, where you can just use this to zoom in and zoom out on photos. So to just show you, so if I click this with the case in, it takes me into the camera, and then I can zoom in and zoom out with the case, and that works absolutely fine with this case on. So if you have bought a new iPhone 16 Pro Max, you may want to pick up a silicone case as well. And as I say, this is the iPhone 16 Pro Max silicone case with MagSafe, and I bought it in the Denim color, which to me I think is personally the best color for the white product. Hope you found that useful. We hope you enjoyed watching this, so please feel free to hit the like button and remember to subscribe for great upcoming videos. Thank you and see you next time.